Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're kind of just getting right into it. So this is what I was able to record for my game that I've been developing. This is the test map right now. Obviously we'll show you some of the other features in the soon bit. But as you see, they're able to attack. Obviously you're able to receive damage, the buildings blow up and all that. The particle effects I am very proud of because that took me a while to actually develop and everything. And this guy you're seeing right now is a hero unit, and he's kind of stuck, and he's not exactly the brightest. And nope, game crashed. Oh, fun. So there's obviously still a lot of bugs that I have in the game that I'm still working on, but we're going to get into this, and we're going to start with the main menu. Alright, and here we have the main menu. There's settings, just kind of a few things like the volume and screen control. Then there's the missions. I have 3 missions. We have the training mission, test map, and the endless. The endless is kind of a firefight thing, which we're going to show you real quick. So there you see me just building the thing, which obviously there goes the giant dropship, which kind of builds the entire thing. And then after that timer goes off, there will be enemies that eventually come and try to kill us. So then you just build up your base as much as you can. You build turrets and stuff. Obviously you build the nodes before you can actually build the actual buildings themselves. And then once you build the resource collectors and stuff, then they actually start collecting resources automatically into your thing. And there they are. So that blue thing that they're coming from is supposed to be kind of like a little lake or an ocean thing. I'm gonna eventually have it be a bridge and be like the desert area. Then obviously there it goes. So error, not enough resources. So if you try building something and you don't have the actual resources needed to do it, then it won't actually let you build. And then you see the fire effects going off, and they're just destroying them. Then you see the hit effect for the enemy compared to the hit effect for anything else. And then they're all dead. And all of a sudden more spawn. Now obviously it's kind of glitched out. I need to fix it so there's actual like a wave spawner, I should rephrase that. So it actually resets the wave and then the timer goes back. I have yet to figure out exactly how to do that. But then obviously there are more turrets. There's also a glitch if you notice me doing it there. So you see how it's red? That means that they killed it before I could actually spawn it in. Or at least they were supposed to kill it before I could actually spawn it in. Obviously I was able to, but for some reason they will attack the resource node when you're trying to build it before you actually build it. So there you got a bunch of them. They are kind of not the best AIs. They're just kind of automatically going after whatever, but here we just gonna keep... Oh, and the game crashed. So it crashed because obviously I was trying to use a menu, but I can't use it because there's a lot of technical stuff to deal with it. But generally, it kind of glitched itself out, so I was in the menu when it was destroyed, so all of a sudden I can't use it anymore. And then you'll see me just kind of exit out of the game. Alright, so we're back onto the main menu, and then we're gonna do... Let's see. Okay, so this is the first mission. It's kind of... I'm muting the audio so you don't actually hear. I did actually do some lines for this, and as you can see, the waypoint is working. So it kind of shows you to build a base. It's trying to... It's pretty much the training mode. It kind of brings you into the environment, lets you know what you need to do and stuff like that. So then... you see it gives me an error because obviously I never actually made the waypoint for the rest of the things. I do have the actual audio for all of these next few clips of what you are supposed to be doing, but I have not actually added in the waypoints, so it kind of keeps giving me a hard time. But then after you build the resource collector, then it allows you to build the electrical tower, which after that you're supposed to build a vehicle bay in order to start producing enemies, or not enemies, allies. Of course, The vehicle bay is not set up yet either because I don't have the vehicles or vehicle bay actually scripted. So we just kind of go back to the main menu here. Here's one of the more recent features I've been working on. It's a force field. Obviously, I kind of haven't actually scripted it entirely yet. I gave it the general idea of what it should be doing. Generally, it'll access all the things inside of it, and then it will deactivate their health variables and allow it so only the main unit is actually being used. Then, of course, here I'm trying to show you, I kind of messed up the electrical tower, but generally speaking, this is the hero unit, and it kind of just, it's supposed to go along with your buildings, but for now it just kind of goes back and forth trying to find an area. I do plan on doing more updates about this game. Granted, college is running around the corner, and I still need to figure out a decent way to record it while playing the game because last time it did not want to record very well. But we're gonna try to keep you guys updated on some of this and try to maybe see if we can do some art for the game or stuff like that. But I'll keep you guys in the loop.